everybody, welcome to my channel. We're at Walgreens. I feel like I have cheap makeup on, but I don't, and I just don't like the way I have my makeup today, so sorry if you guys don't like it. I will probably change it when I get home. But we are at Walgreens right now, and I'm excited to share with you guys some deals. Now, it is Memorial Day weekend. There are no inserts. There's really not a lot of hot deals. There's a lot of food deals at other places, but not really much at Walgreens. But we're gonna go inside because I never know what you're gonna find. It is a beginning of the new IVC sale, so if you guys are looking at certain things, there might be some stuff that's on sale all month long, so we'll definitely check that out. So let's go inside and have some fun couponing. So here's a great deal if you guys need some Maybelline makeup. So we have the eyeshadow on for regular price for $7.99, and the makeup is currently buy one get one 50% off. And then we're gonna get one of these eyeliners for $7.99. Again, buy one get one 50% off. There is currently a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You will end up paying $4.98, but when you buy one eyeliner with IBOTTA and one eyeshadow product with IBOTTA, you'll get $4 back, making these just 98 cents.
Welcome to Walgreens.
Welcome to Walgreens. 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is an awesome deal. My store also has this really cool silver eyeliner on clearance for $2.79, and I actually really want to get this. And it would be, I get a $2 IBOTTA rebate, so this would be 79 cents, which is still a pretty good deal if you guys need some makeup. So here we have the Olay body wash on sale for $7. The men's Old Spice is on sale for $7, but I am not finding a digital coupon at all for the Old Spice, but my store finally has this one, which accounts for a rebate, but I don't have a coupon for it. So we're gonna do the women's Olay body wash. Now, the bar soap is also $7 on sale along with the body wash, so you can mix and match however you want to do it. But in order to get the IBOTTA deal, you do need to buy 2 of the body washes. So you can get 2 body washes and 1 bar soap, however you want to do this. But $7, you're gonna buy 3 of them. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you will want to use. You will end up paying $16 for the 2 of them. But then there is a 3 off of 2 IBOTTA rebate that you guys can use, and it is a deal of the week, so you will get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them, making them $8 or $2.66 each. So however you guys want to do that deal, definitely go ahead and do it. So my Essie nail polish has been on clearance for a while for $6.99. I currently have
Welcome to Walgreens.
Welcome to Walgreens. I currently have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use if you're interested in that. And then I also have a $3 off of 1, so you get them for like $3.99, which could be an okay deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. But the funny thing is, I could not find this coupon. I had to scroll all the way down to the bottom to find it, but I did find it, so just wanted to share with you guys with that. So here we have the L'Oreal Elvive. It's actually on sale 2 for $9. You guys are gonna get 2 of them for $9. Now we currently have a coupon in the Walgreens booklet or IVC coupon for $3 off of 2, and I didn't get any digital coupons. There might be one on coupons.com that you guys can submit your receipt to, but I do have a printable coupon that was on coupons.com this morning for 3 off of 2. So you guys will end up getting 2 of them for $3 or $1.50 each if you guys need to go ahead and do that. But there probably is a coupon from coupons.com that you can submit your receipt to, which is a pretty decent deal. So here we have Old Spice deodorant on sale 2 for $13. A lot of the ones that are not tagged are 2 for $13. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you will end up using. You will pay $14.05 for the 3 of them.
Customer service needed in the allergy department.
In the allergy department this time. But you will end up paying $14.05, but you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA, where you'll get $2 back times 3, so you'll get $6 back with IBOTTA, and you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them. I don't think you can do this in the same transaction as the Olay Old Spice body wash deal, but you get that $5 register reward, making them $3.50 or just $1.16 each. Check your travel stuff up by the registers. We have Advil 8 pills for just $1.79 if you guys need some travel stuff. Walgreens also has some 10 tablets of pain reliever for $1.29 if you guys need something like that. The Tide Simply is on sale for $3.49, and most likely there is a 50-cent off digital coupon. There usually is, so you guys can get that for $2.99. And then we also have the Arm & Hammer on sale for buy one, get two free. So you would pay $7.49 for 3 of them, making that just $2.49 each. I do know we are getting a $1 off coupon for next week's coupons for next time if you guys get those coupons, but pretty excited for that coupon coming out. But otherwise, $7.49 for 3 of them. So my store has most random stuff on clearance here. We got this marshmallow. Okay, that's not it. But this is a floral plush bear that's like cream. It's on sale for 70% off. So it looks like there's Mother's Day gifts that are 70% off. So I'm assuming this one is the $3.90. So if you guys need some Mother's Day gifts, definitely check it out. There's some baby stuff, and the graduation stuff will soon be going on clearance also. So here we have the Scott's paper towels for $5 on sale for buy one get one 50% off.
Welcome to Walgreens.
That is loud. You would get these for $5. We also have the toilet paper on sale for $5 to buy one get one 50% off. But I do have a digital coupon for the toilet paper where we get $1 back. So you can mix and match however you guys want to do this. You can buy 1 paper towel and 1 toilet paper, or you can buy 2 toilet papers. But you get your, with that $1 price, a $1 coupon, you'd end up getting 2 of them for $6.50. That comes out to be $3.25 each. So if you want to mix and match, definitely go ahead and do that. General Mills cereal is on sale 2 for $5 if you guys need some cereal. I'm not seeing any digital coupons, but everybody's account varies. But 2 for $5. And then there also is their Walgreens brand that you can get for $1.99, which I'm tempted to give it a try, but we will definitely keep checking out more deals. If you need some snacks, we have some snacks on sale for $2.28. A great little snack if you need something on the go. Trail mix, lots of trail mix for $2.28. And then we also have the cashews on sale for $2.98. And then we have the pieces for $5.99, but it's buy one get one free. And more nuts. But yeah, definitely a great deal if you guys need some trail mix. So if you need some candy, we have the Reese's Creamy on sale or on clearance for 29 cents, along with the Crunchy for 29 cents. So definitely check it out and see if your store has it. It doesn't expire till November and December, but 29 cents. Another clearance item I found for 29 cents is this Kinder Bueno, but it's the white chocolate. If you guys are interested in that, definitely check to see if your stores have this on clearance, but 29 cents. Hello everybody, welcome back. It's been a while since I've done a car haul. I've been really liking doing it at home, but you know what? I like doing it in the car. I miss doing my hauls in the car. I will be going back to CVS soon. A lot of you guys have been asking about CVS. I will be going back. We are going on vacation in a couple weeks. I will be skipping a Walgreens in a couple weeks because we'll be out of the country. But after that, or maybe towards the end of the summer, I will be going back to CVS. Number one, I really miss it. I just really miss it. I just needed to take a break. So that was really nice on doing something like that. Sorry, I was, my camera lens was dirty. So I'm going to be coming back to CVS. A lot of you guys are doing that. I do want to work on more content and a lot of more things, but right now it's going on summer vacation. My son has less than a week and a half left of school, and it's gonna be crazy, but I really want to bring more stuff to you guys. So I'm just kind of in that mood where I'm just like, I don't want to film, but I need to. So one of these days we'll get some more stuff out, but I am kind of working on more apps. I just got to go couponing some more. But yes, so one thing I was super excited for, the cashier, the manager on duty. My store is very, very understaffed. They've had like with the I get there at like 6:30 in the morning, and I deal with a lot of the third shift people, which I absolutely love. They are super awesome. But over the last like month and a half, they have lost 4 employees. And so the guy that was here today, super nice guy. He was all by himself, so like a lot of the stuff wasn't even tagged, so it was kind of hard for me to kind of go through the store and try to figure out what's sale. Plus right now with it being Memorial Weekend, the sales are a little bit slow. But I ended up getting some of these Reese's candies. So we got the Reese's Crunchy, and then we also have the Reese's Creamy. These are on sale or on clearance for 29 cents. I'm really excited to try the creamy, you guys. Like I wish I bought more, but I didn't need more. But 29-cent clearance, definitely go ahead and get that. So I ended up getting 3 of the Old Spice deodorant. I really like this Oasis. It smells like, it's like a vanilla. And I know how a lot of people like wearing men's deodorant, but I actually want to try this. I actually want to try this deodorant because I think it smells so good. And then I ended up getting some other stuff. My husband really likes wearing aluminum-free deodorant, so I don't know if you guys are ever like couponing and you do sell your stockpile stuff. Always think about what others want to get, and I should kind of make tips on how to do your own garage sale or how to sell your own stockpile. I just had one. I sold 98% of my stockpile, you guys. 98%. It was awesome. But always try to think of like to grab other things than what you like if you're intentionally, you know, selling stuff or getting things for people. I always try to grab a variety because everybody likes different things. And then over the years, I kind of know what to get and what not to get. So just giving you guys a heads up, but I should make a video on that. But these were 2 for $13, so they were $6.50 each. We had that 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Now, that 5 off of 3 digital coupon did also count towards some Old Spice body wash. I wanted to do that deal, but my store did not have enough of that one body wash, but you could have done that. But in order to get the $5 register reward, you had to get 3 of the deodorants. I don't know if they were the same register reward deal, but 5 off of 3, you guys would pay $4 or $14.50, $14.50. But then you can submit your receipt to IBOTTA, where you'll get $2 times 3, so $6 back with IBOTTA. You will also receive a $5 register reward, making these $3.50 or $1.16 each. Now, I did do these in a separate transaction than the Olay, because I think they might be the same deal. I don't know, but I didn't want to chance it. But for $1.16 each, it's a great deal, and I've been really loving getting those. I got the Olay body wash. This is by far my favorite scent, the strawberry mint. It just smells so delicious. But these were $7 on sale, so you want to buy 3 Olay body washes. You would pay, you would use that 5 off of 3 digital coupon that we have. You would pay $16 for 3 of these for that Olay coupon. But then there was an IBOTTA deal where you get $3 off of 2. So you could buy 2 body washes and 1 bar of soap, however you want to do it. But you get that 3 off of 2. You then also would receive a $5 register reward, making them $8 or $2.66 each. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, definitely go ahead and do that deal. I got a couple more things to share with you guys. My bag is falling on top of me. Where'd that makeup go? I ended up getting, oh, here it is. Okay, I ended up getting the Maybelline makeup. Now, I'll tell you my scenario. So the scenario that I showed you guys was a eyeliner and a eyeshadow palette, and they were like, was it $7.99 or something like that? I don't remember the price, but they ended up coming like 49 cents each. I ended up doing it this way because I really wanted to try this silver eyeliner, you guys. So this was on clearance for $2.79, and this was on regular price for $10.99. It was buy one, get one 50% off. Now, when I scanned the items, only my 7 off of 2 digital coupon was popping up, which is an only for you, so everybody may or may not have that coupon. But there's also a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys could use. So it could end up being a little bit more. But every scenario is different. But definitely check out your clearance. And then also make sure you guys are scanning your items. The one thing about the Maybelline, it is a limit 1 per the eyeliner. And it is limit 1 per the eyeshadows. So I don't remember the breakdown for it. But I just wanted to share with you guys on it. But I'm super excited to try this silver eyeliner. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, got that. Then I also, I lost a candy bar. Then I also got, there's a guy that's walking right past my car that was in the store earlier, and he's like, I had too much to drink last night. And I'm like, okay. And he's got more alcohol in his hand. Okay. Anyways, we got the L'Oreal Elvive. Now this is an okay deal, but I couldn't pass it up. And I have noticed that the IVC coupons do reset. For a while there, they was like one and done for the whole month, but they usually reset, I think, what, after 24 hours or something like that. But here these were 2 for $9. There is a 3 off of 2 printable coupon. I didn't get to check to see if there's a coupons.com or a Shopium. But there was that 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys could use. Right now the app is not working. Thanks. We're having trouble right now. Please try again later. Really? But there might be a coupon for coupons.com. The app's not working. It says that, oops, we're having trouble, right? Okay, thank you coupons.com. But I used that $3 printable coupon. I had that $3 IVC coupon. You guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So that was everything that I got. I didn't really have a huge haul. There really wasn't a lot of stuff going on sale. I know like the Tide was on sale, but my app just does not show the digital coupons. I think they show them at a certain time, but I have to sit there and scan the product. Nothing pops up. I have to go through my clipped coupons and find it. Sometimes that doesn't pop up. I don't like the app. It just doesn't work sometimes. But my total was $33.46. I did not pay that price. I always pay with points. I always pay with register rewards, but that does not have that factored price in it. I did receive $10 back of register rewards. I did receive 34 cents of points. 34 cents. I had some really good like coupon. Like I had a clipped coupon where if you spend $40, you got $20 back, but I didn't have $40 worth of product. And I didn't want to pay $20 out of pocket. Like it was a good deal, but I just didn't want to pay $20 out of pocket. But anyways, and then with IBOTTA, I did receive $13 back. That is for the Olay. I got $3 back for the Olay. I got $6 back for the Old Spice, and then I got $4 back for the L'Oreal. So my grand total for everything was $10.12. I got 14 items at 72 cents each. So 10 bucks for all that stuff is a pretty good deal, considering the Olay body wash was $8 for 3 of them. So I think I did pretty good. I'm happy with everything that I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. I will see you guys next week for hopefully an awesome haul. You guys all have a nice Memorial weekend if you guys are out and about enjoying it with family, friends, all that stuff. And I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.